Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered why that stubborn belly fat, commonly called a pot belly, is so hard to lose? Whether it's a result of stress, poor diet, or sedentary lifestyle, the good news is that you can now get rid of it with the right strategies. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the science behind belly fat and how to tackle it effectively. If you're new here, my name is Dr. Vamshi Bende. I'm a board certified internal medicine physician, nephrologist, and lifestyle medicine specialist. I'm here to help you take charge of your health with evidence based strategies. Let's get started. First, let's understand what causes a pot belly. It's usually a mix of two types of fat: subcutaneous fat, the layer just under your skin, and visceral fat, the fat around your organs such as liver and intestines. While subcutaneous fat is more noticeable, visceral fat is the one that's linked to health risks such as diabetes, heart disease, and metabolic syndrome. So, visceral fat is the dangerous fat that we all need to get rid of. Not a lot of people know this, but visceral fat is hormonally active, which means it releases chemicals that can increase inflammation in your body, which is why reducing it is so important. The first step in tackling a pot belly is fixing your diet. Focus on whole unprocessed foods and aim for a diet rich in fiber, healthy fats, and lean protein. There's a myth that is extremely prevalent, and that is cutting all carbs is the answer to flat stomach. This isn't true. Complex carbs like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are very important for energy and should be part of a balanced diet. So, what foods should be avoided? The number one food that needs to be avoided is refined carbs like white rice and refined wheat, as foods made from these are everywhere, right from our own kitchen to fast food restaurants. And of course, avoid sugary drinks and trans fats as well. These are some of the biggest culprits behind belly fat. Cardio and strength training are your best friends when it comes to losing belly fat. Aim for a combination of these two. Activities like brisk walking, running, or cycling help burn calories. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic rate, which means that you're burning more calories even when you're resting. Exercises like planks and leg raises won't burn belly fat directly, but they'll tone the muscles underneath for a firmer appearance as the fat melts away. Studies show that high intensity interval training is one of the most effective ways to reduce visceral fat. Chronic stress leads to the release of cortisol, a hormone that encourages fat storage in the abdominal area. Similarly, poor sleep disrupts your hormones, increasing hunger and fat storage. Here are some practical tips for stress and sleep. Practice mindfulness or yoga. Avoid screen time 1 hour before bedtime. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Alcohol, especially beer, is often linked to belly fat, hence the term beer belly. It's not just the empty calories in alcohol, but also how it alters your metabolism, encouraging fat storage in the abdominal area. Therefore, moderation is key when consuming alcohol. Switching to light beer will not solve your problem. While it might have fewer calories, overconsumption still leads to weight gain. Consistency is the secret ingredient. Small, sustainable changes in your diet, exercise, and lifestyle will bring long term results. Remember, there's no magic pill, but the effort is worth it. Here's a motivational tip: measure progress in inches lost and how your clothes fit, not just the number on the scale. Belly fat often responds slower than other areas, but patience does pay off. Getting rid of pot belly is about more than just aesthetics. It's about improving your overall health. By fixing your diet, staying active, managing stress, and sleeping well, you're addressing the root cause of belly fat. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.